Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon. I am here with a video with Partners Personnel once again. Corporate Recruiting AM. Okay, and with this job position, it will be a credit collections analyst. And it's $25 an hour. It's a full-time remote job. Qualifications, debits and credits, 3 years required. Bachelor's preferred. The benefits of the job would be a 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, parental leave, vision insurance. For job description is we are looking for a competent collection specialist to contact clients and collect outstanding payments. You will strike a balance between maintaining trustful relationships and ensuring timely payments. Our collection specialist should exhibit professionalism and trustworthiness. You should have excellent communication and negotiation skills as well as an ability to work independently. Responsibilities: monitor accounts to identify outstanding debts, investigate historical data for each debt or bill, find and contact clients to ask about their overdue payments, take actions to encourage timely debt payments, process payments and refunds, resolve billing and customer credit issues, update account status, records and collection efforts, report on collection activity and accounts receivable status. Skills: proven experience as a collection specialist or a similar role, knowledge of billing procedures and collection techniques, etc. Skip tracing, familiarity with laws related to debt collections, FDCPA, working knowledge of MS Office and databases, comfortable working with targets, patience and ability to manage stress, excellent communication skills written and oral, skilled in negotiation, problem solving skills, bachelor's degree 1 to 3 years of experience. This right here is the schedule. It's 8 hours. It's full-time, of course, you guys. Full-time scheduling, 40 hours a week, 8 hours a day. And with education, is bachelor's preferred and experience. Debits and credits, 3 years required. Remote, excuse me guys, have a little bit of a sniffle of a cold, bad allergies, season, hay fever, etc. Struggle with allergies. A person who has allergies is me. Okay, hiring one candidate for this role, urgent role, and it posted 30 days ago. So they're still hiring for this position, you guys. So get on it. That'll be all for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Yes, this video is very short. Sometimes I have short videos and sometimes I wouldn't. But in this case, this is a job that I saw and I looked into it, and I think it's a great job for anyone to go ahead and put an application into and just go ahead and send it off. You guys know how it is. Get a piece of that work pie and keep going, keep sparkling, keep shining, you diamonds. Let's go, Diamond Squad. We got this. You got this. Let's do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe once again, and I will see you guys on another video. And please hit that notification bell so you can know when I'm on with these hot resources, you guys, for all these wonderful jobs. Talk to you guys later. See you later.